Hey, it's me, Birgit, with Stickers and Planning. And today I've got my cute cup with iced tea in it, and I've got my Hobonichi Cousin and a great layout for you. So come plan with me. All right, I've got my cute cup here, and I'm going to take my ring off, put it in my ring holder. Now, I've got the Hobonichi Cousin laid out for the 12th through the 18th. That's this week, and I am going to be using these. I'm going to adapt them. They are monthly spreads. They're cousin kit spreads, but I'm going to adapt it for the week. And then we've got the little cute Capy stickers, right? And then the die cuts, and then the washi. So we're going to use all these. Okay, let's get started. Let's get planning. I'm so excited to be here today. I have been out and about, so I haven't gotten to see you guys. I haven't gotten to put up many videos this week, so I'm excited. It is Thursday, but it's never too late to plan and get back on the planning rigmarole, okay? Okay, it is the 12th through the 18th, so I'm going to put that there, and then I will put a 12 on there so I know exactly which day it is, right? Then we don't have to worry. Then we'll remember it in the end, right? Okay, so put the 12 there. All right, so that's Monday, and then we're going to do Tuesday. All right, these are a little bit harder today than usual to get off the thing. I don't know why, but they just seem to be. So I have been out and about traveling and haven't had time. All right, now let's see. I've been traveling about and about since my daughter got home, so it's been a bit of a flurry. So I'm getting back on track here with my daily planning. It's never too late to start the week. Don't forget that, to get you back in the planning mode. You know, light your candle, get a nice drink, put on some pleasant music, and then do your layout, and then you can start your planning. I like this. It's kind of like a daily, you know, a weekly reset for me. On Sundays, I like to sit down and do my layouts and get everything done. And even if I don't make it on the Sunday, just doing it any time of the week really does help. So, I just enjoy it. So I'm going to try a different format. I don't know, I think I started explaining this, but I didn't really get to it. So today I'm going to do just the layout on this, and then I'm going to do the planning in the next video, because I'm trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter, because I think my audience, I think I'm going to show it that way. I didn't do that on that one, but that'll be okay. So I'm trying to keep the videos a little shorter. And I was watching another video, and they were explaining the comments how they really miss people just doing the layouts and really showing you how to plan. So I thought that's a great idea. I need to really do that, and I haven't done that yet on this channel, but in the next video I'm going to actually plan out the week. I'm going to base it on the week that I'm having. And this is really a demonstrator planner for me. I don't really use this that much in planning. I just use it because I know a lot of people like the Hobonichi, and so I want to demonstrate and show you how you can use yours to plan. So I like the Happy Planner, which I have, the Happy Planner Big. It gives me enough space, but anyway. All right, so that's done. Now let's get some cuties up here. I don't know if we should. Let's do this. I don't want to do those. I was going to do that. I think I'm going to do these though. All right, so let's put this across the top just to give us some more snazzies, right? Okay, and then this is how you can use your rulers. That makes it easy to cut these paper washies that you get. And then of course you can't cut the metal ones. It's a little silly, although I've tried it. So even though it is a little silly, I have tried it. You know, I have to demonstrate to you guys what you can and can't do, right? So I'll look the fool. All right, so there we go. Now, I think I'm gonna do a die cut up here. Isn't this cute? I got 2 packs of these, so I do have a vertical planning kit too of this. You know what I don't have though? I don't have my weeks, and I'm probably gonna want to put these in my health planner. So I need to do that. I've got to get my monthly setup done. I've got it videoed. I just haven't edited for you guys. So I don't know. Sometimes work falls behind because I really do have to do that. Okay. In my planner. I mean, I really do the work planner I use a lot, as well as my everyday vertical planner. And then it's in my work bag, and so I don't always bring it home. So anyway, even though it's set up, I forget to bring it. Okay, Birgit is having a problem. Here we go. All right, oh, now this is a different style tape. It's different. All right, so I'm gonna mark this off because I wanna show you, in the next video, I'll show you what I do, okay? But this is usually my everyday kind of stuff in the mornings, or, you know, let's say we got to take the trash out, or we got to do dry cleaning, and then the rest is like my to-dos, and then the night and the evening. So I'm going to on this layout in particular, I'm going to sparse it off so it helps. You know, you can also do your planner into another section. So you have two sections. You can split it into 3 sections if you want. Okay, now over here, we're going to do next week. So I can put anything from next week on there. Or actually, I think I'm going to do ideas because that's what I've done. I'm going to do ideas for family fun or planning, fun stuff. So let's do that. Let's do ideas for fun. Ideas for family fun. I'm just gonna put FF. Do you have FF, forced family fun? FFF, forced family fun? We do in our house. And you need to do it, guys. You've got to do forced family fun, right? We do it. So anyway, we've always done that. Okay, now I'm gonna do my gratefuls. We gotta always have to do what we're grateful for. So I'm gonna do that right down here. All right, grateful for, okay. And then that way we have that area ready to go. All right, now we can start doing cute stuff on this page, right? So I'm gonna do a cute little thing down here and maybe up here. We need to do the weekend too, so let's mark that. We'll get that on the next one, I think. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some stickers, I think. Little stickers. I like the duck, don't you? And so I'm just gonna put some stickers around. That way it's kind of decorated and fun. I like this little guy, isn't he cute? Okay, we're gonna put him over here. Let's see, there we go. And then let's give ourselves some note area here. I think that would be a good idea. So we'll take a pen that matches. What shall we do today? Let's see. Let's do a brown here. I have a brown, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a brown midliner on this, and I'm just gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna sparse off a little area here that we don't need that much, right? And that's gonna be my notes section. So then I'll put one of those appointment things, and we'll do notes on it. And how about the one with the duck? That's cute today. So let's use my rifle pen and we'll mark that as notes. Notes. All right. I did go a little bit funky on that. So what we could do, just to cover up that little thing, is let's take a few little stickers. We can just, you know, you can make anything look cute with a little sticker on it. Right? Okay, so these are cute. Which one should I do? I kind of like let's do the little Cappy here. And we can put some flowers out maybe. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, we'll put the Cappy there. See, that sort of distracts us. We don't even notice that. All right, now we got our notes area. If I need to make some notes for next week, we have got some decorations on there. Let's do a couple more little decor here. Let's do Cappy in the wheel and the barrel. That's cute. We'll do that. I'm going to put that right down here. And then we'll do something up there. All right, and that's a Friday. We'll put that up here. All right, so I think we're pretty finished on this. I like this. This gives us space to do our planning. And as we plan, we'll be decorating more. But this is the general layout for the week. We've got notes that we can write down here. I've got all of my days that I can write in and do things in. So I just want to show you this layout. I think it's adorable. And I want to just tell you, this is easy to do. And now you can do any washies here. You could do any little stickers here, anything that you want. This is an easy layout that if you're a little bit hesitant to do stickers, you know, to put your stickers down because you don't want to ruin your stash, this is a great layout to do because it's so easy. It's not using a lot of your stickers, but it's cute, and then you can also plan. So anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys for coming today. If you are not a subscriber, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do these to keep you inspired to planning, just as I'm inspired to plan myself. And then I hope you'll catch me in the next video where I'm going to show you how I'm actually planning my week. All right, well, thank you guys, and keep on planning. Bye-bye.